What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, we have Nikki here. She is a hairstylist. She's actually my hairstylist, so we've been a long time patient as well. I've been seeing you for years now. I mean, probably 8-9 years. It's been crazy. So, but she has a little bit of lateral curvature, pretty much scoliosis going on in her back. So she's been on and off over the years, but recently been getting back in. How you been feeling?
A lot better.
A lot better?
Okay.
Okay.
A little bit more movement.
Okay. Were you as sore after last time?
No.
Okay.
No.
So the drop table was okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right, like usual, we're going to start with heat, throw that on there, loosen up the muscles, give a better adjustment. So not as sore after last time, right?
Yep.
Okay. Still got that right shoulder, not terrible. Of course, I'd get a phone call right now. Good. How's the headaches, man?
Last night was awful.
Okay. Lift your chin up just a little bit.
Oof, that was good.
Good. Nice. Loosening up. All right, go and flip on your back.
My migraines were always really related on my right side.
Okay.
And then I would say over like the last 2 years, like I'm slowly getting them now localized more on my left, which
Okay.
I find to be a little odd, but
Okay.
I don't know how that works, you know?
Do you have any TMJ issues?
I'm sure I do, because that's another thing that the ear doctor had told me.
Okay. Because you have a little deviation actually off.
What is that?
Like your jaw kind of drops down that way.
And I've been noticing like my face like shifts, like
Yeah. That's why I was wondering. Do you ever have jaw pain or anything at night? Yeah. Do you clench? Do you know if you yeah.
I wear my guards, but I think I need a new one.
Okay. Oh, it's like the guard doesn't really stop so much the clenching because like you're still biting down on the guard,
Right.
but it helps like the teeth protect your teeth. Tension's really good. A little bit more. Good. Good. Not so bad there.
No.
Alright, cool. We'll go do the low back over there.
Okay. Hopefully there'll at least be sun.
It's supposed to be decent weather. And
Good.
you know, it should get up to around 70, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Lift your How's the low back been?
Been okay.
Okay.
Like I have my moments kind of thing. Like if I've noticed I stood too long or if I sat on the couch like in an awkward position.
Okay.
I've been trying to be more mindful of like my posture.
Sometimes it's hard.
Yeah.
But I mean, work for you is
Yeah.
stand all day with your arms in the air. So.
Right.
It's just one. There it goes.
Yeah,
Simple.
Good. Yeah.
We'll go face down one more time. Just want to
Face
check.
down. Sure.
Check the leg length and stuff. Okay, good. That's better.
I told Andy we need one of those, like the trigger gun thing you had.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, we need one of those.
Go ahead and flip onto your back.
Okay. He's been working 12, so when he comes home, he's just like so sore. He doesn't even know what to do, you know?
Yeah. Do your hips and ankles real quick.
Okay. Sorry if my feet stink.
It's all good. Ooh, you got some clunkies in there.
What's that?
Good.
Oh. I'm like, I won't remember this.
Relax this leg. Relax,
Uh-huh.
relax, relax. All the way up into the hip bone. Relax. There you go. There it was.
Wow.
That's what I was trying to get. Let this one relax too.
Uh-huh.
There. There. Good.
Wow, that felt good.
Awesome. All right, go ahead and sit up. We did this last time too.
Mm-hmm.
This time we're actually going to give it a little adjustment.
Okay.
So it'll feel a little tug, but it won't be anything crazy.
Okay.
Okay, drop down. Sure, we can pull your hair.
Mm-hmm.
Lift your legs up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Just under your knees. There you go.
Yeah, I like
Take the
that.
tension off your back.
I want one of those pillows for a bed.
Yeah. Get one of those, the bases that go up. The, bed
Oh, we
base.
have that.
Didn't like it?
I love it. He doesn't.
So I had to go, right?
Mm-hmm.
How's that feel?
Okay.
Traction. You want any Disney things on your Crocs?
No, I actually don't. He took them all. I got him a pair of sandals this summer.
Good. Breathe. Sit up. I'll pull this out. So how's that?
That was really good. I always like when he can relieve a lot of the pressure off my neck and my shoulders, since with the hairstyling, that's where I'm always at. So, feel good.
How was the Y-strap? You've never had like the actual...
I never really had that before,
traction.
but it felt really good, and it did feel nice in my neck to stretch out.
Awesome.
Yep.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like, go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find your relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.